you dream of financial freedom? Want to buy your dream home, fund your child's education, or retire early? What if I told you there's a simple way to achieve it without huge savings? Stay with me and I'll share a life-changing solution. Hi, I'm Subhan, and I'm passionate about helping people secure their financial future. Today we'll talk about the smartest way to grow your wealth. Systematic investment plans, SIPs. Let me also share a relatable story that explains why SIPs are a game changer. Meet Ali, a 27-year-old working professional. Like many of us, Ali had big dreams, traveling the world, buying a car, and saving for retirement. But with rising expenses, saving money seemed impossible. One day, Ali's friend told him about SIPs. At first, he thought, how can rupees, 1,000 a month, make a difference? But he gave it a try. Fast forward 10 years. Ali invested rupees, 2,000 every month in mutual funds via SIPs. Thanks to the power of compounding, his savings grew to over rupees. 7 முதல் 8 லட்சம். Small steps led to big milestones. Today, Ali is closer to his dreams than ever before. Explain SIPs, how it works. So what makes SIPs so special? Here's how it works. Invest small, grow big. You don't need lakhs to start. Begin with rupees. 500 அல்லது ரூபாய் 1,000 per month. Consistency is key. SIPs ensure regular, disciplined investing. Rupee costs. Averaging, when markets dip, you buy more units. When markets rise, your investment grows. It's a win-win, compounding power. Over time, your money grows exponentially. For example, investing rupees. 5,000 monthly for 15 years can grow to over rupees 25 lakhs at an average return of 12%. Imagine what you could achieve. Busting myths and encouragement. Many think investing is risky or complicated, but SIPs are designed to be safe and simple. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. The earlier you start, the greater the rewards. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Call to action. Start your SIP today. Your dreams are closer than you think. All it takes is one step. Start your SIP today and secure your future. Whether it's for your family, your dreams, or your retirement, the best time to start is now. Reach out to us, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Let's turn your small investments into big achievements. Thank you for watching. Remember, every rupee invested today is a step toward your brighter tomorrow. Take action now.